Okay, I've cut 8 sides of the chair and 8 sides of the step section. I'm ready to move on to the next job, cutting the seat and the steps. I've laid this out as all the parts coming out of one blank. All 4 of the back slats, the steps, and the seat sections are all going to come out of this at one time. I'm even set it up so that it's going to start by carving the curve into the back so that it has a nice fit when I sit into it, has a nice feel. So I'm going to move these pieces out of the way, and then we're going to get ready and run this part. Okay, all we have to do now is hit the go button.